Introducing the ultimate driving machine, the 2025 Audi RS5 Sportback. This sleek powerhouse combines breathtaking speed, stunning design, and everyday practicality, making it a top contender in its class. With rivals like the BMW M3 and Alfa Romeo Giulia vying for the top spot, the RS5 Sportback stands out as a fast, refined, and versatile performance car. Audi's shift to a 5-door Sportback design has elevated practicality, making the RS5 more accessible and spacious. The larger size facilitates easier entry into the rear seats, while the top-hinged rear hatch provides ample cargo capacity. Unleash the beast with the 444 horsepower twin-turbocharged V6 engine, paired with Audi's legendary all-wheel drive system. For driving enthusiasts seeking an intensified experience, the competition package offers a sport exhaust system, sport direct steering, and firmer suspension. The RS5 Sportback accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, rivaling the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio and BMW M3 competition. Audi's all-wheel drive system provides a traction advantage, especially during launch. On highways, enjoy a smooth ride courtesy of adaptive dampers, striking a balance between comfort and sportiness. Inside, indulge in Audi's signature luxury, featuring premium materials, heated and cooled seats, and a digital gauge cluster. Standard features include ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and 3-zone climate control. With an estimated 18 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway, the RS5 Sportback holds its own in fuel efficiency. The 2025 Audi RS5 Sportback is the ultimate fusion of performance and practicality. Whether on the track or running errands, this car delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date on the latest car reviews, walkthroughs, and automotive news, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to never miss a video.